I've done my project using node.js, express.js, ejs, JS, and by using the weather API. And this is node modules, which is a large file. We use a .gitignore file. In that file, we will store the node modules so that while we pushing these files into the Git repository, these node modules will be avoided. And this is views folder in which we have sign in, sign up, and weather EJS. In sign in EJS, if you look into the code, this is the CSS styling, and this is a background image, and this is the heading, the weather forecast dashboard that displays, and this is the form of sign in page. And here the method is we use it is post, and in sign in we use it email, password, and the submit button. And if you look into the sign up.ejs file, in the similar manner, this is a background image of this web page, and this is all CSS code which is used for the styling the HTML code. And in the similar way, the same heading, the weather forecast dashboard, and the method we use it is post here. But here in the sign up page, we have the labels for email, password, and also we take name of the user extra. In weather.ejs file, this is a styling of it, and we use a background image also. And in this, the heading is weather information, and we use the method called post on action of this form. And here, if we will take the input, the location, and after clicking the submit button, we will get the details of that location, like location name, current temperature, condition, humidity, and also the wind speed. And if you look into the index.js code, these are the several packages that required, and we use it express, we all know. And this byscript.js package is used for hashing the password, which is very important in the web pages development, because even though the database is compromised, it is difficult to know the password, because reverse engineering is difficult if you done the password hashing. And this is a Firebase admin package which is used for to connect this to the Firebase. And expressions are very important because it reduces the re-signing, so it will reduce the unwanted time, etc. And this is a node fetch we use it, and this is the JSON file we'll get from the Firebase service accounts. And this is a function call of the database, and here the port number is given 3000, and the express package is stored in app. Here will these are the routes. The first route is the sign up, it will render the sign up page. If we call sign in, will render the sign in page, and after the sign up, it sends the details to the Firebase. And before it checks whether the email is already been existed. If it exists, it display the message that the email already exists. And proper authentication, by this method the password will get hashed. And this we can see here the code. And registered data is a collection name where these details will be stored. And after the sign up, it will redirect to the sign in page. And see, after the sign in, it will check the reverse hashing the password and check the validity. And after sign in, it will redirect to the weather page. And even though we call the root weather, it will render the weather page. And in weather page, this is the code behind it. The API key we have used it, whether from we get this from API, whether API.com, and this is the code. It will fetch the request and it response is given, and this is the logout, and this is the statement is printed in the console by so that we can confirm the server has been started. The command prompt I have run the index.js file, and it printed the statement the server port running on 3000, and this is the database where after sign up the details was been stored, and this is hashing of password we can see. And let us go to the root localhost 3000 sign up, and this is sign up page. Let us give a name and a mail. Let us give some random password, and after sign up the details will be sent to the Firebase, and it will redirect to the sign in page. And by giving the valid credentials after sign up, the page will be redirected to weather page where we have to enter the location. And after entering the location, we have to click on the get weather, and the details will be displayed like this: the temperature, condition, humidity, and wind. And this is how the website works.